Live, ready to go live. Yes, well, mainly this show is about charts. This show is about charts. 1 second. I just want to make sure we are live. Let me just share my screen. I'm gonna share screen, share the Zoom tab. Boom. Okay, okay, okay. Blockchain Sensei is now live. Let's make sure they can see you, they can hear you, they can see our lovely guest. Let's make sure they can see you, they can hear you, they can see our lovely guest.
Oh yeah.
All right, amazing. So I'm just gonna turn my camera off from StreamYard. 1 second, so they don't see me twice. Okay, cool.
I'll start recording. I'll send a
StreamYard.
request.
1 second, so they don't see me twice. All right, we're live. We are live. We are live. We are live. Yes, 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 yes. What's good, people? It is currently 26 minutes past 9 p.m. UK time, Sunday, the 8th of October 2023. It's your boy Fadlan Effendi, aka NinjaTea. I'm here with one of the homies, overdue collab, Thebitblond, checking in from New York City.
Hello, GM guys. Thanks for having me on. Nice to be on. I miss
Yes,
my London community.
yes, 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 yes. We're very lucky to have you here. What time is it in New York?
It's 4:26, so nearly 5 o'clock.
4:26. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Okay, well, this is the first ever, technically speaking, which is a show dedicated mainly on charts and data and fundamentals, heavy on the charts, obviously. Which I'll be honest, at Blockchain Sensei have been very, very inconsistent on. So moving forward, we're going to be very consistent. So for those that don't know, Blockchain Sensei, every Monday, 8 p.m. till half 9 UK time, we'll be doing a free weekly webinar called The Game, covering mainly stocks, crypto, with special guests, etc. We're obviously going to get the Bit Blonde on the game sometime this month, hopefully. So we've been running that every Monday, 8 p.m. till half 9 since 2020. The Zoom link has recently changed. You'll find the Zoom link just in the main kind of Blockchain Sensei IG bio, etc. You can find 100 plus replays out now. Since April 2022, we've been doing NFT Fridays. I don't know. I don't really hear you talk too much about NFTs, Bit Blonde. Are you an NFT girl or
I
not?
love NFTs. Yeah.
Okay, amazing. And I'm assuming you know a bit about Bitcoin ordinals as well.
Is that NFT community? Sorry.
Bitcoin ordinals.
Maybe I do know, yeah. It's
Okay,
just a lot
okay,
of things. Yeah.
for sure, for sure. Um, and then Sundays, we're now going to do, technically speaking. Now, today we were late, but I can now confirm on this exact Zoom link, Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays, we're going to stream 8 p.m. plus UK time. Mondays, stocks and crypto. Fridays, NFTs. Sundays, heavy on the charts, we're technically speaking. So, just before we start, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick disclaimer so we don't get sued. And then we'll have
Yeah.
a chit chat with the Bit Blonde and let's have a look at these markets. So 1 second, 1 second. Okay. So we're on the Bit Blondes. Share this tab instead. 1 second. Let the stream catch up. Let the stream catch up. Let the stream catch up. Okay, so check out the Bit Blondes link tree where you can find you can you can find most of what you need when it comes to connecting with the BitBlonde. Let's go to the disclaimer, blockchainsensei.com. Quick disclaimer. So, disclaimer terms and conditions, all content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. It should not be considered as investment advice to buy, sell, hold any assets, no place any trades. Please always do your own what, BitBlonde? What should they always do? Yes, Yes, so it's very important to do own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. Always pay your bills, your child support, your rent before. I know it's tempting to buy Bitcoin before paying your rent, but let's pay the rent first and then buy Bitcoin, okay? In that order. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Bitblond, are you a professional financial advisor? No, neither am I. Independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show. You may wish to rely upon whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, Bitblonde? Yeah. All investments come with risks, so do your own research. Me and Bitblog, we're not financial advisors, neither does Mr. Hardin. We don't intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors or accountants. We're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors and accountants. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know. Hit up Bitblog, hit up myself, and we can refer you to a financial advisor. So let's get back in the Zoom. Let's get back in the Zoom. Share this time instead. Move over, move over. Okay, let's get back. Okay, okay. All right, Bit Blonde. Do you wanna start it off or do you want me to start it off with the charts?
You can start off and
Yeah?
we can comment on it.
All right, let's go, let's go. What I want to do is gonna be a challenge. Let me think about this. Let me think about
Do you
this.
want me to share the Bitcoin chart that I have here?
Wait, one sec, one sec. I'm just thinking. Basically, because I'm on StreamYard and Zoom at the same time. Okay, so I can't open a new window. That's absolutely fine. All right, what I'm gonna have to do is this. I can go on TradingView, but I can't go on my paid TradingView. I have to go on this I don't actually use this blockchain Sensei GML TradingView, but I'm gonna go on this TradingView because I can't stream on StreamYard and open in a new window, but I can open in a new tab. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Uh so okay. So that is the reason. So just for the record, guys, one sec. It should share my screen in a second. Come on, share my screen. Oh, perfect. So for the record, guys, NinjaTea does pay for TradingView, but I can't switch tabs. So let me tell you the first thing that I realized, right? So this is the first chart that I look at. It's called the SIXRE, and it's kind of representative of real estate holdings in the S&P 500. And it's the best chart that I know, unless somebody wants to let me know, um, to kind of um, view global real estate. It's not exact, but anyway, it bottomed out in October 2022, and it's recently bottomed out to the October 2022 low, which makes me feel like a pullback is due. Because when we compare this to the VT, which is the global stock market, we can see they were pretty much moving together. But as of late 2022, they're pretty much decoupled, where the stock market is continue to go up and SIXR is taking a drawdown. Obviously, real estate is three times bigger than the stock market. Everything kind of follows the stock market. So after that, I have a look at the VT. The stock market, in my opinion, is overvalued, along with tech stocks. Nasdaq is kind of crazy. I expect Nasdaq to draw down to uh, potentially 12199, but at least 1 to 1366. Obviously, not financial advice. Crypto. Let's have a look at the market. Let's have a look at the market. Let's have a look at the total market first. Oh, it's already there. This is a messy trading view. Where is the total? Okay, cool. So right now, in my opinion, everything under 1.3 trillion to 720 billion is consolidation. I don't believe the crypto market. This is my sentiment. Is that I don't really think we're going to go back here. I'd be extremely surprised if we did. I think we could. I think we can draw down to 853, but I don't think we're going to go down to 720. I think this opportunity is gone now. That's what I would. That's what I would say. I'm not super bullish, but I'm not that bearish. Um, with regard to the market itself. Then I like to have a look at total two, so that's the market without Bitcoin. It's the message trading view. So right now we're on half a trillion in crypto. I think it would be nice to set some buy orders for when the market. I think the market will draw down to 489. But I'd be really surprised if we ever get back down to these lows. And then total three, just the altcoin market. Um, Before really buying alts, I would wait until the altcoin market was below 300, 300 billion, below 0.3 trillion. I think that's where it's going to bleed to. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, 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 the greatest asset in the entire world. Okay, so I'm going to share some alpha with you guys. Are you ready? I back tested. I wish I had the TA for you guys, but I can't change Windows. So, oh no, not this RSI, not this RSI, RFI. Oh wait, what the hell? What is going on? No, the Matrix attacking. Let me see. Why is it giving me all of this? I don't want all of this. How do I get it? Just give me my yeah. All right, let's delete this. This is how much I don't use this trading view. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Oh, perfect. Okay, cool, fantastic. Right. So let me get a clean Bitcoin for you guys because this one is too messy. Let's get a clean one. Oh, come on. Oh no, that one's too messy. No, we don't want it in GBP. USD, that's fine. Okay, it's fine. Okay, this one I've not do too much on. All right, so there's a magical level on the RSI. Everybody who doesn't know how the RSI works, it's an indicator if an asset is undervalued or overvalued. Obviously, indicators can be incorrect. When the RSI is under 30, it's an indication an asset is undervalued and is a buy signal. When the RSI is over 70, which is this line here, that's 70, that's 30, it's an indication to sell. Now, life doesn't always wait for the 70 RSI. If we waited between March, if we sold Bitcoin in April 2022, we didn't get another sell signal till January 2023. That's too much time, right? This would have been an amazing time to sell Bitcoin because you could buy it back at that's a huge discount to buy back at. You can go from like one Bitcoin to 1.6. But this sell signal is too long, right? And this sell signal here, if we sold Bitcoin here, we could have bought back at maybe 20% drawdown. That looks like 20% to me. Let me get the ruler. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so the sell signal was here. If we followed that sell signal, we could buy back Bitcoin at 17%. That's quite good. But in between, there were so many sell opportunities here, here, here. Now, what do? We can look for the RSI where there's a magical number, right? And that magical number is 64. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. I'm gonna let Bitblond talk in a second. Let's go back to Zoom, View tab. Uh, Share my screen on StreamYard. Share my screen on StreamYard. Okay, go back. Share this tab. All right, perfect. One sec. Oh, are we back? Yes. Okay, this is the magic number. You ready? When the RSI hits 64, not 61, not 62, not 63, 64. If you backtest the RSI on Bitcoin, every time the RSI hit at least 64, so 64, 65, 68.8, 69, 67, where it's just under 70, 100% of the time, when the RSI hit 64 or more on Bitcoin on the daily, Bitcoin drew down by at least 15%, often by 40%. So it's not financial advice. Moving forward, when the RSI hits 64, I'm going to consider selling some of my Bitcoin and buying back a 10% drawdown. Let me break it down to you. Let's say if I sold Bitcoin let's say if I sold zero point 0.1 Bitcoin, not saying I have enough money to sell zero point 0.1 Bitcoin, but let's say if I did have enough money and I had enough Bitcoin to sell zero point 0.1 when the RSI hit maybe 65. I set a buy order to buy it back at 10% drawdown. I go from 0.10 Bitcoin to 0.11. 1% Bitcoin is a lot of money in the future. But over to Bitblunt. That's my
Yeah,
game.
I agree. I just want to do a touch because it's easier to look on a daily when we're not having movements, like drastic movements. But I do think that we're going to reach 30K. We're very close to 30K right now. And you can sell there. But as you said previously, I don't expect us to go lower than 27K anymore. It could happen though, but I don't expect Bitcoin to kind of, retest 25K. I think overall it's been very, very exhaustive this month. Do you feel like that, Ninja? It's been very exhaustive to trade Bitcoin. It's like it's very sideways. But in the other hand, yeah, in the other hand, it's very good to accumulate. So it's bad and good when it's sideways. So I think looking on a daily, it makes more sense to trade on a daily when it's less movements. But when it's like huge movements, I would say not financial advice, but I would say if we have like high volatility, I will be trading on the 4 hourly graph to the 1 hour. So I do use leverage, but I do not recommend to people, right? Because you need to know how to use leverage. But of course, I think if you have a good risk management, leverage, it's very, very helpful. That's why I don't trade Forex. Like, I'm not sure if they have leverage, but crypto has a lot of leverage and you need to use. Yeah, of course. No, you have to buy and sell. I think so. Yeah. Well, it really depends. I think in general, it's just nice to accumulate as Bitcoin is going to be our current currency very soon. But the main thing in trading is to be profitable, right? So you do want make profits all the time. And especially now that we've literally going sideways forever. So you do want to make profits. Yes, I do. I do buy and sell, but of course I want to accumulate, but I'm not bullish on Ethereum. Like I think Ethereum is gonna do really, really well. But in general, it's nice to accumulate Bitcoin. But if you have the opportunity to buy and sell, you should definitely make profits of it. I don't really. Well, mm, well, it depends. Like one Bitcoin is one Bitcoin, anyways, for Bitcoiners. But oh, yeah, but it's a like I can talk from US perspective. It's very tough to do things in crypto here. So it really depends on what you're gonna do with your crypto and if you're using it also, or if you're just holding it. Like let's say Dubai and other places, you can just use crypto for everything. But some countries are very expensive to transfer from crypto to money. That's what I face here. So yeah, it depends. But I think accumulating right now is just the best option. But of course, somewhere around like 60,000, when we are back to 60K, you can definitely sell it or just wait to 100K and, play inside, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Yeah, let's let's share the screen. Do I'm sharing in mine? Okay. So this one I made a video. Can you see? Not yet. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, continue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that's the last video I made on my channel also. As you notice, like we've been testing 25K multiple times, and I don't think that is going to happen again. It's just a lot of consolidation going on, but we're very, very close to. No, I don't think so. Well, I'm not saying that is going to happen now because I'm using the MACD and like on my perspective, it's still going up on a daily. So we likely to touch 30K before going lower. But 23K, I don't know. I don't think so. Just if I will do a circle here. Wait. So I'm not that pessimistic about Bitcoin. So but imagine that this is like our support and we close it to 30K, then we are closer to our support at the moment. So when we break the support, I would say 20, right? But yeah, because that's the second one, right? That's the previous one we had here. But yeah, but it's so manipulated, has been like that for ages. Like all my videos are even boring at some points. Like, you know, we have to you mean like on your wallet or something? Sure. Oh yeah. I do. I do. Yeah. No, so if we break here, as I'm saying, if we break 25, you can literally short to 20. That's the next gap to be. But that's a reality. It's a reality. So if that happens, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're still crossing up on a MACD. So it's likely to go, we can go 30K or the scenario we can touch here 30K and then you can short or see what's going to happen. If we just break up, like let's say 32K, I would not short. But around 30K, it's another level to watch because things, they go up and down. So if we hit 30K, you can short back to support again. But if we break support, you can short to 20,000. That's my perspective. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to, make very, very simple analysis. It's just not much filter on it. It's just more on support and resist. No, I don't like it. No, I mean, I'm about to make a challenge on my YouTube channel, like this kind of crazy challenges. Oh, let's transfer, 1K to some big amount. But the reason why I'm not doing that yet, it's, I saw a video that a guy like accidentally showed his address and he got whacked. So I'm not I'm not sure yet, but I do want to make a challenge, like transferring 1,000 to, I don't know, 5K, and do like a daily challenge. That's gonna happen very soon on my channel. It doesn't have to be on Bitcoin. In fact, you can have more, profit from altcoins and others. Like support and resistance, I'm very basic on it. So that's the current scenario here. I think we're likely to touch 30K, and then from 30K you can make some sell to the support, and if you break support you can go short, you can go long. So it's all up, it's pretty much the same, but you need to be patient. And also, we're looking into the daily. As I said, we're not moving with high vitality, so I'm not going to go to lower time frames. It's just very, very boring. No, I just left SP 500 here on a daily. Like, is kind of starting to get into this buy. Yeah. So, which is another bullish sign for us, having that speed 500 bullish. So I'm not like a big one in Forex, but sometimes I do have my eyes on it. And yeah, it's looking pretty much into the buy. I was just talking about that recently with somebody, like about trading Forex. I just, there's nothing wrong with it because I use leverage. And yeah, if they give me leverage, I might trade Forex. um, well, oh my God. Like seriously, if I would be a big shorter, I wish I knew the collapse of FTX. That was a great short opportunity. Ooh, that was beautiful. But Luna is a bad one. Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. I just hope that nothing else will collapse at the end of this bear market anymore, right? Because, Binance has some weird actions sometimes. And I'm really hoping that nothing is going to happen to Binance. If so, we will likely to see the crypto market in a very bad scenario. But, how are you doing, by the way, in this bear market? Yeah, that's true. Let's have a look on it. Yeah. Yeah, I always say, you have to buy altcoins also, but I would say like you can keep 60% on Bitcoin and 30 on Ethereum, and the rest just into great projects but random altcoins. And yeah, I think Ethereum is a big. I'm very bullish on Ethereum also. I think Ethereum is gonna do absolutely well. Like all these projects and NFTs and everything is on ETH. Like I don't want to sell my ETH. Yeah, that's smart. That's very smart. Yeah. Oh, really? Are you trading them? Oh no, I'm more on the altcoins. Do you use crypto bubbles to check? Do you use crypto bubbles? Okay, so I think crypto bubbles it's a very very nice interactive way to look into um trading opportunities. You can come to the daily or to the hourly chart up to you. So you can see whatever is up and down. Let's say this one it's moving. So let's have a look on it. Link USDT. And I think that's a very nice way you can make like 300 or whatever with leverage per day. So that's the daily. So for hourly chart, you can spot those altcoins really easy on crypto bubbles, as you see here. Link USDT, right? That's the one. Yeah. So yeah, you can just buy and sell altcoins and make nice profit from it, having a look on crypto bubbles. But of course, you need to have a risk management. And if you don't have risk management, I would not recommend you to trade altcoins. They move really, really heavy compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But you can make a lot of money with altcoins. How are you trading altcoins so far, Ninja? Yeah. Yeah, I mean everybody. Yeah, people do have different strategies, but I think as long as you pay yourself and catch out, it's important. So in general, I think it's a very great time for people that are just starting in Web3 and crypto, because that's for sure it's exhaustive, but it's the end of the bear market. We just don't know how long it's going to be sideways. But if you're looking into start, I think we are in a very, very great time to start accumulating and wait for the new high highs. Yeah, but it's not doing much today either. So Sunday, Bitcoin is not doing much. I'm waiting to I'm waiting to hit 30K, hopefully this week. I'll probably be working from home, so if you like to do something, we can. Yep. Oh, oh no. Okay. Let's do my I'm going to link to my YouTube also. Let's do it, I want to be more active, so I'll definitely be there. So it's going to be somewhere around 5 New York time. I'll be on it. We can do it. This one. And I wasn't doing much actually, so I'm more active now. So that's my YouTube channel, Thebitblond. Yeah, come on, subscribe now. Yeah, I wasn't active, but I'm trying my best now. So guys, I'll be doing, TA interviews, conferences, my best. So drop a like and follow and everything. So it's pretty much the Bitblond everywhere. And follow also Blockchain Sensei, right? Don't forget. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the best, I think the weak people are just out of the market. You need to be really, really strong to survive. This bear market has been absolutely crazy. So we're doing our best here, and that's it. Yes, absolutely. Okay. See you in 22 hours. Thank you guys.